petition to remove Jean Mensa and Kisi Jaben. Me, Upisamia. If John Mahama, His Excellency, wants, he should even remove who? One bill. Upper cry. Of course, it's a Angel Gabriel was him. Yeah. There is no way I'm going to sit down here and defend Madam Jean Mensa. I don't get anything from doing that. Because there's one thing I know. And he say, John Mahama, or appointee Charlotte say. Or appointee Charlotte say, we no, you got to abano, or re poto. John Mahama, after appointee Charlotte say, or re poto. Again, Jean Mensa was appointed by an NPP government. But NPP lost Poto 2024 election. And to me, meaning say elections are won at the poll. Police station honum na seven siwa. Now, whether Ibrahim Mahama is made the next electoral commissioner or not, 2028, the voice of the people will be heard loud and clear. That is the most important. The position for me now by now screen also. Pamcho data. What wait matter data my feel free and momo na banso. Upe what wait matter donate BB fair so that we can keep bringing you this show. Edinwe Richard Harris. Okay, Richard Harris. Eti number now screen also no. MTN number. Pamcho kindly help the show. Now, asema yesi nyina no. Mami bi a efre no. Na ya jantwa. Na NDC for me ka sembe chiremu. One of the reasons why you are going to lose 2028 election. Esa mami. Mami awa. Mami a ni week to say then. Obia ne mechina. Sa ni week ni din no. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nana ya jantwa. She is one of the reasons why NDC is going to lose 2028. Mami we CPP ni. She claims to be CPP ni, by the way. Now CPP ni no. Last year, in fact, throughout the second half of Akufo-Addo's government, or pushy agenda to the extent say, when John Mahama, His Excellency, won, he felt say he has to reward her. And he appointed her as a presidential staffer. And he oye Juma or Jubilee House to say. As to Juma oye or Jubilee House there, you and I are not there. Occupying space. Now, presidential staffer no, oye Article 71 office holder. And he V8, one saloon car, wardrobe allowance, entertainment allowance, travel allowance, accommodation allowance, all of them. The entitlement. All these things that the state, we are using our taxpayers' money. Eddie Thomas Mamiwe no, is for her to keep spewing rubbish after rubbish on TV. Rubbish after rubbish. And sorry for my choice of words. One causes to the other on TV. Mami. Now, you're saying xenophobia petition the president over EC. Right? Jean Mensa. The president, John Mahama, received the petition. I'm sure Council of State has seen it because Emmanuel said with the approval of Council of State. And then they have forwarded it to the Chief Justice. Now, the reason they have forwarded it to the Chief Justice is say the Chief Justice is supposed to sit on the petition and see if there is any merit in it. The president will forward the documentations no Emma Chief Justice. Adentia, it is for the Chief Justice to sit down, analyze the petitions and say, asem way the same assembly, you forget it. And I say, asem way there, we have to set up a committee to inquire. And the assembly could do Chief Justice. The Chief Justice has not come out with a year ni view ni ruling here, whether there is a prima facie or not. Now, you hear wig wait to say Ochina Obiani Mochina. Akotina TV so say Jean Mensa misbehaved at the EC, ignored political parties. So you, a presidential staffer, you have come out to declare your judgment even before CJ, before the Chief Justice. Now, nipa a presidential staffer there, unim say, ba bonti bekasa, except for what she has heard at the presidency. And he tells you, say, even before Chief Justice, no can ask him no. Ye new Chief Justice no. Presidency, or munim say agenda no. A shame. And the woman will go by all means. And what they are doing now, they say Chief Justice will sit down and then look whether there's a prima facie and all those things. It is just comedies being a keke. Mameno. Jean Mensa no, she's already on her way out. Kisija Ben is already on his way out. And there is nothing anybody can do about it because that is what NDC 4, led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, want. They promise their followers. They promise their followers. Ebushanfo, nabado was screen so. Mama no so. I'm promise you followers. So Muba, Chief Justice Obeko, Electoral Commissioner Beko. And your mamba, Chief Justice no. Away, bye-bye. Who is next? Electoral Commissioner. Are you getting it? Now, you know something. Democracy that we are building it for the nation to become better. But what NDC for they are weakening our democracy. Because they say, NPP for about power man. Chief Justice Brea or Hobia no Obeko. Now say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia obey on Mampin now or Nimno Cassette Chief Justice no demonstration tiano. And easy. Because what NDC can do, NPP should also be able to do. So NDC for Omun Ferry and now me Chief Justice everywhere. NPP for Suba the same Akukudro remove the Chief Justice. Electoral Commissioner. Whoever NDC is going to bring, NPP bar. That person must go. And the rest. And it is going to get so worse that this canker is going to enter even places like Shraj. Akufo-Addo buy no. Nipa na or Shraj boss. Onwa no otiho till now. Because you want the systems to work. You understand, say, enya obia na say oye yes sir ma. Some people must look you in the face and tell you the hard truth, the harsh truth. But Marco Votiama will be a friend of Supreme Leader. Now, Supreme Leader Ben a person confonka hard truth on nobody. So he has to remove all the people who can have dissenting views. And some judges at the Supreme Court who are perceived to be maybe a certain way as a liberal kakrano. What do? You don't assign them to any case. You let them be redundant. No. That is it. The plan of the NDC, simple and straightforward. Simple and straightforward. This is what Ghanaians have bargained for. And it's sad.
I'm about to talk about Angel Kabono. So start recording. Get your gadgets and start recording. Get it and start recording. Yet Ghana had Musay. Yet Ghana had the voice of NPP. Thank you so much, bro. You're free, and I want to have you discuss this issue. Okay. I want to have you discuss this issue. Yet Ghana had Musay in 2017. In fact, by September, no man penny Adudankwa Kufuado and a flagship program now was started Ayahwejuma. I'm a free education I started. Now, the second year of free education, and Omampeni Omampeni Adudankwa Kufuado, His Excellency, ex-president, Ekaseno, Yentimi Magana for Ebi Entnefie, Nebinko school. No. If the thing is free, it must be free for all. It's Yakodebia will free fear Biamo, waiting Yakotro BC, Atrebiano, Yamaninko school. Now, a coin pain, Yabefa Masakodana school. A quiet first one Masakodana school in the say. Okay, one. So a Quadani school no more poor, no me and sana. School down in the Hokwa. Yen ye be biaum. And Quadani school not 3 months, 4 months, no more quina. School down in the Hokwa. Yen ye be biaum. So if this is the case, any ye be by your friend a double track system. Now double track system no we introduce you know a political talk Ghana. You see, the NDC, as we know, in fact, mean you are king and I mean Yadwa from Omampeni Mahama John's then candidate Mahama John. Ebesi the Ofui soldiers. Everybody was lambasting and was making nonsense of the double track system. But at least, it's me boy. Emma Ghana Mabuni Bebre, it's me we secondary education. Me see Martin Luther King, Julia the book could be an American. Was so my beer. Why not you so betum pobiano? And was said 2 out of 3% of our mighty population, and was so we educated. And that's what be educated is what at least akwada krono and was so timi from secondary education area. By then na krana dwimo bobill. By then na
tumrem
it's Omampeni Adudankwa Kufuado. Omampeni Adudankwa Kufuado. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. One more prioritize education. In fact, from the time one more free education by no more go for a double track system buy me patrol go and check the statistics, go and check the data. Not just said your name Kwadanika. Go and check. Oman Benito inside the free teacher Ofui. And was the same Kwadano. One more school, one more dozen. Double tracking isn't it? We quite 3 months to be coffee now we yaba. 4 months to be corner we yaba. 3 months to be corner we yaba. 80% contact hours now when in Kwadani one. Some contact hours no. You perceive extending them out. I say you perceive we extra classes at the man Kwadano. A teacher for the catch on Omampeni Maham, a teacher for the catch on Omampeni Adudankwa Kufuado say, yes, a penny, I didn't say no, can do, but you made 50 Ghana cedis per head. Students be a quadem piano, you made 50 Ghana cedis per head. It is this reason. Adudankwa Kufuado and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the NPP government and rolling out some incentives. And rolling out some allowances Digital allowances, professional diaben, and the cake out. The some allowances in Kwana now the more because of the free education and the double track system, so that a teacher phone being young one thing and the accident colana there because why extending our contact hours with the kids. We were on this app explaining, but we are here so we didn't need I see what that one was that's what that open and said, we were telling and explaining this to our NDC brothers and sisters, but they turned blind eye to it. They decided not to listen to what we were saying. No, we talk also good Ghana for so. And one more can some somewhere nim neck pressing. Thank you so much for joining, bro. I can somewhere in nim abusha was off on some screen and what for some screen and is near Nante. A kawa come so betting me at the end. Can somewhere in somewhere in Nimsa, Kikas and some is answer Ghana flagging and I'm a manual, but it's Yanamika Sasamucho. Missy, go and check the statistics, go and check the data from 2017, embassy 2024 at the Danko for the Free Abemo. Missy, go and check the results of free SHS student and the Ranada Danko for and Dr. Mahmoud Bomia. Just go and check. Just go and check. Angel Kabonu, please come. And sometimes here na me dial. Me yawa me di say yen the presenters nimubimu. When these people come on our network, when we call them, when we want to have interview with them, no amu kika omu sembia, ya amu kika no ma form wedi no amu come. Ya amu kika no ma form wedi no amu come. Angel Kabonu. Awo we union head. Awo Ghana. What's that dear pay ye teacher ni mapa? Aben abobel. Ye frau radio suna ye busa say. Adie na esie na nkwada na kwakotwra. Over 20,000 students will not be able to access tertiary. They will not be able to be in public or private. They will not be able to. Angel Kabonu timi bie na no e katre yen say. Angel katre yen say. One won't blame you, but obe blame free SHS then a double track system, according to Angel Kabonu. Blame obe blame free SHS and in a double track system. Now go and listen to the tape. Neti and send me a waka. Missy Ghana. Politics in tea. Fine brains. They talk without thinking. Politics in tea. Conform wako school. No more bill and nimde. Abo Tosca, abo embassy, abo degree, abo 1 year, abo 5 abo de. Missy they talk without reasoning. Without reasoning. Now the man before this is the true reflection of the free SHS and double track system. I say, wow. Wow. They say that we have politics, my politics here time. We have politics, and my politics here time. The kind of measures, the kind of incentives, the kind of allowances are or mampeni of the dan kufuado dan. And the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Abo modia so obema this teachers near the other woman saka. Na say busumi timi so under them. Busumi timi so teacher for ne senyanam ye kenyanam wa he. Womu sa womu pen kwa di ho. Ba no womu senyanam se bibi no.